In this video, we're going to give a brief description of a multi-zone heating and cooling system. A multi-zone heating and cooling system can be identified by the fact that it has what we refer to as a hot deck and a cold deck. Heating coils, cooling coils, both in the same unit. These systems were designed to be constant airflow systems. The fans would run continuously. The zones are controlled by zone control dampers, which do nothing more than react to a thermostat in the zone to shift the dampers on the discharge of the air handler between the hot deck and the cold deck. So they can be at 100% heat or 100% cool or anywhere in between based on the room temperature needs. There's a fan, single fan in the system. There are return air and outlet air dampers to provide for fresh air and economizer air into the system. The hot deck is usually either a steam or hot water coil, but can be anything that heats air. The cooling coil is usually either a chilled water coil or a direct expansion refrigeration coil. On this particular unit, we have a direct expansion refrigeration coil and we have a steam coil. The steam is supplied by the steam boiler, which is also located in the central mechanical room with the air handling unit. The controls on the original system were all pneumatic thermostats driven by these air compressors, which regulated the dampers and also controlled all the system functions to bring on heating and cooling. The air conditioning system or cooling system is actually a compressor unit with a cooling tower, and on this particular system it's also located in a room off of the main mechanical room. We have a compressor unit. Currently on this system there's only one still in service. The other one has been disabled years ago, and it's cooled by a cooling tower, which actually is also in the basement of this building below the sidewalk. These systems provided a high level of comfort for the building when it was new, but they use a lot of energy. So in an older church building that most of the time is unoccupied, we've gone to a little simplified operation these days and obviously don't run this system 24/7 to maintain exact room temperatures, which is what it was designed for. It takes a lot of love and a little bit of effort to keep a system like this running, and a basic understanding of all components: refrigeration, the boiler, the pneumatics, and everything that's involved in this system. So that's a brief description of what a multi-zone heating and cooling system is.